Hey guys, this is Tim. Several months ago I received this Amazon Smart Indoor Air Quality Monitor as a gift for my birthday, and I have to say I really have enjoyed it. It helps me understand the indoor air quality inside my home by measuring 5 different factors: temperature, humidity, particulate matter, carbon monoxide, and VOCs, or volatile organic compounds. This green indicator light lets me know that the air quality is good inside my home. So let's look closer at this device. Okay, you should know up front this Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor does not have a microphone or a speaker to sound an alarm, or it does not have Alexa built into it. For voice control, alerts, and full routines, they're supported by use of any Echo devices that are sold separately, or by using the Alexa mobile app. And again, looking at this a little bit closer, the screen on the front is not a speaker. It's where the air intake is that samples the air. Then you have a reset button on the back. Underneath, you have the place where you plug in your AC power. And then you have a place here where you can screw in a mount if you want to mount this on a stand or something. Okay, once you've downloaded your app and connected it to the internet, you just hit devices, and then you can see here at the top air quality. And then when you select that, it shows you what your current score is. Mine is currently 94. As you can see here, between 65 and 100, it will be the color green and will give you the score. Any score between 35 and 65 will be considered moderate, and it will have the color orange. And then any score between 0 and 35 would be colored red, and that would be considered poor air quality. That would require some investigation further. Okay, if we look at each of those 5 factors that impact the overall indoor air quality score, we have temperature measured in Fahrenheit. We have indoor air humidity measured in percent. PM stands for particulate matter. That's measured in micrograms per cubic meter, and that could be pollen, dust, pet dander, and so forth. CO stands for carbon monoxide. That's measured by parts per million, and that's not to be confused with carbon dioxide. It does not measure that. So this is carbon monoxide. And that's very important if you have burning wood stoves, gas appliances, and so forth. Then you have VOCs, that stands for volatile organic compounds. That could be from petroleum products, citrus sprays, burning candles, makeup, and so forth that's in the air. So if we scroll a little bit below, you have 3 different tabs there by the hour, day, and week. So these are the measurements by hour to day. You have this previous button here that you can press, and you can kind of see the previous readings. Or you can select day, and you can look at the readings per day, and you can see there's some orange colors in there, and you can investigate each one of those. Okay, if we look across the top, we have the overall indoor air quality score. You have a tab for temperature, and then you have a tab for humidity, and then a tab for particulate matter, and then a tab for carbon monoxide, and a tab for volatile organic compounds. Okay, at the bottom of the screen, you can see a link in the color blue. It says learn more about humidity. You can select that, the definition of humidity, tips, description, sources, and health effects. Okay, I keep this in my living room, and from time to time I will glance over and make sure this is green. If it's green, then it makes me feel comfortable about the indoor air quality inside my home. Sometimes I've seen the color orange, and I will open up my phone app and kind of investigate and see what that's pertaining to. And generally that's just for a short period of time, then it goes away. I've never once seen the indicator light the color red. If it's ever red, then you do need to stop and investigate and find out what's going on for health purposes. And again, this device does not take the place of your carbon monoxide or smoke detectors inside your home. It's very important that you maintain those devices. So this is a product that I would recommend and I think you would enjoy. Takes away all the guesswork of what your end air quality is. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.